Huh? Oh, what was that noise? Oh.
Relax.
Neutral.
Ready?
Imagine he stalls it. That hurt me. So we are at a car wash right now because my car's filthy. His car's probably filthy. I know Kyle's is filthy.
I'm filthy.
He's filthy. So we're gonna go wash our cars, get gas, and then we're on our way to the March Madness meet. Hopefully it's not ass.
It won't be ass.
No?
See this? New York. Alright?
And
Get with it. Get with it.
Bacon, egg, and cheese. Arizona. Yeah.
Oh man. Oh man, you see that smoke, boy? You see that? I know you see this.
Yeah, boy.
Oh boy. If you're not from New York, you're slacking. That's all I'm saying.
See what we got in this thing. Nothing. Nothing.
How Kyle takes notes.
This is from last semester.
Typical college student right there.
We're all done with it. Everyone just share our channel so we can get out of college and get out of debt and stop it with this scam.
Don't even.
You thought we weren't gonna say anything? Look at that man's socks. He got his pants rolled into his socks. Dude, we've been here for like 20 minutes waiting for this guy to finish his car.
He opened his trunk and started cleaning his trunk with water.
Oh no.
Ew.
Ew.
You just gonna let him do that? Oh boy. What in God's name is that? What the hell? Sick, bro. Oh, yo, that guy in his car was reporting us. Yeah. What did you just do? Oh. Oh.
Oh, copyright? Who?
What? Demonetized? What's that?
Copyright strikes? Copyright who?
My ass. Dude, look at the tires on that thing. Look, go away.
Oh my god.
What the I know he rips the out of that thing. God. Dude, he's got gauges in his scoop. There's gauges in his scoop.
Disappointed. We're in the lot. We're in the lot.
That's why you have to I have a booth with RPR Street Team. They won't let me in.
Really?
Yeah. I bet like half the cars that are VIP are like.
Oh yeah, 100%. Dude, they had over 200 cars that are VIP that are just ass.
And they were still doing VIP. They were
Yeah.
still doing applications like
Yeah.
last night.
They don't care.
Didn't they say they were closed too?
No, they were still opening. It was like 11 o'clock at night and I saw the post.
I don't know, they didn't even tell us where to go.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, they just said go.
Must be nice. Whatever. In a few hours, I'm gonna try and get in there. We should go over there. Oh, the guy from the ASAP Ferg.
That's what I said.
Oh, I thought you were talking about him.
What is he?
Yeah.
Not the 370. You
Time to go see it. So, we're mad because all these stock cars, all these stock cars
Are you serious?
made it into VIP, and we're stuck in the lot while all of these cars, I'm not on any build. I'm not shitting on any build, but if it's not a build, look at that.
They had to consume to get in. That's why I want to know.
Stop it.
Nice car for you.
Bro, drive your car.
What's up?
He doesn't know how. This is the dumbest shit ever. So they're gonna let everybody that got here an hour after us. What's your name? This is so stupid. Just let us in the f***ing lot.
I was ready to smack that guy.
Yeah, so stupid.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
What are we doing?
Well, all of them get to go in the lot, and we don't, so.
Because you can't come back in, right?
We could, but we have to fucking wait. Oi!
Miller's? Which one? Okay.
Is that what we're doing?
You wanna go to Miller's?
I don't really have the money for that, but whatever.
Okay, so since there's like a 4-hour gap between the last time we recorded, we went to March Madness. It was just a crap show. Like it was just horrible. We got there, we would have been there on time, but there was like a 50-minute traffic jam that you guys probably saw us jamming out to. Then we finally get in. They tell us to go to the spectator lot. Whatever, not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. But cars are leaving, like a crap ton of cars are leaving. So we try to go into the actual meat lot, and the security guard's like, no, you can't go in there. I'm like, but all the cars that are now coming in right now are going into the lot. And he's like, well, you can't back into the spectator lot. I was like,
So now you have to leave.
so now there's another 40-minute wait line to get back into the meet, and I'm like, where am I gonna go? So, and I could have easily backed up. He was just being an a-hole. So we just left. We went home. It wasn't even worth it. And supposedly the
Good
meet
thing
got,
we left too, because it turned into a shit show. Like it was bad.
Supposedly there was just like a bunch of burnouts. Somebody's kid almost got hit by a car. Like, I don't know. It's whatever. But we're on our way right now. One, to go get Sonic. Secondly, to go hopefully there's another car meet right now. It's gonna be a little bit smaller, but maybe we'll see somebody do something stupid.
It's gonna be a little smaller, but it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy, dude.
It probably won't be crazy. But if it is crazy, and somebody does something stupid like I did the last time I was at this car meet.
Here, bro.
Free my son!
I got it on video.
Then hopefully it's a good video. But if not, sorry that I wasted all your guys' time with this crappy video. But at least you get to see me eat Sonic. So we're gonna stick around for a little bit, but pretty much it's just Subies that just keep revving. And we're gonna see if we can get you guys a burnout or something, but ain't looking too promising. It's deformed. Poor little buddy.
You know that dog? I'm not trying to shit on that dog, okay? I love dogs.
What dog?
You ever seen that dog that was like, he had no neck and he was like squished? That's what that reminds me of. I have to look her up.
Oh, that's horrible.
I like no. Listen. I love dogs, okay?
Okay.
I love all animals.
That dog's probably amazing.
That dog
But-
probably is. This
and it's a
dog
German
probably
Shepherd.
is. It's a German, so you know he's a badass. But you can't.
That's what he says that truck.
That truck. When I looked at that truck, is the first thing that came to mind.
It's horrible.
His name is Quasimodo. All right. Shout out to him.
Quasimodo?
Quasimodo. What car is doing that? That doesn't sounds like a Z.
Fuck.
You gotta get out. Gotta get out.
I said I'd do it for you guys. Are we really all doing Civic burnouts? Oh yeah!
That guy looked like he had a wheel hop.
I'm coming out here for you guys. Okay, that's it. No more Hondas. We're done. Q&A. It's happening. 10K. If I could focus, that'd be great. Focus. 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 Ford Focus. There we go. Okay, so Q&A is 10K. If you want to leave any questions for anybody in the channel, anything on your mind, DM me at the tween or leave a comment down below saying that it's for the Q&A when we hit 10K. And then that's pretty much that. We're gonna try and have more videos out for you guys. My car's gonna be working on, his car's gonna be worked on, my RSX is gonna be worked on, 240, all that good stuff. And then
Shut the fuck up. Alright? Subscribe. Share. Show your friends. Tell your family. Tell your uncles. Tell your aunties. Tell your nieces. Tell your nephews. If I went to that meet a year ago, I probably would have been impressed. Like, genuinely, I probably would have been like, wow.
Oh my god! Wow!
what the hell was that? Oh my god, what's going on? What's going on? Why does he keep tapping the gas like that? Raise him. Oh my god, he's up yes. Toll gate battle on the highway.
I gotta get in the right lane.
Oh my god, what are we gonna do? Passat, oh Jetta, whatever. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Brakes!
You want a race, kid?
That Jetta, oh man.